It's read now, Book 2 for Grade 2. The topic is from this book, Dog Meets Wolf. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum students of Grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. I wish to you Ramzan Kareem to you and your family. As today is Wednesday, 14th April 2021. It is our English period. Welcome to our English class. I am your teacher, Miss Sobia Jamshed is here from Qura Public School, Junior Branch, MTC. Our today's topic is Dog Meets Wolf. Today we are going to do the remaining question answers of this chapter. It is our class assignment. Question number 6 to 10 we will done on the English literature notebooks, and we will do the dictation line number 13. Take out your English literature notebooks and maintain your page. Firstly, you will write CW, then write Wednesday, 14th April, 2021, full stop. Then you will write the topic. The topic is Dog Meets Wolf. You will underline the topic. Then you will write the exercise number 3. It is our subtopic. Answer these questions. Today it is the last exercise of our chapter. Answer this question. Question number 1 to 5 we have done yesterday. Today we are going to do the question number 6 to 10 on notebooks. Have you opened your notebook, students? Firstly, write day, date and topic, then subtopic, draw the margin line, and don't forget to underline the topic. Question number 6 is what did the wolf see round the dog's neck? What did the wolf see round the dog's neck? As you have read in this chapter, the wolf saw an ugly mark round the dog's neck. The wolf saw an ugly mark round the dog's neck. Question number 7. What caused the mark? What was the reason of the mark, student, which was on dog's neck? What was the reason of that mark? So read the answer. It was caused by the collar that rubbed against the dog's neck. Answer is repeated. It was caused by the collar that rubbed against the dog's neck. Question number 8. When was the dog chained? When was the dog chained? As we have read in this chapter, the dog chained at night. So let's see what is the answer. Answer is the dog was chained at night. The dog was chained at night. Question number 9. To what was he tied? Question number 9. To what was he tied? Answer is he was tied by a chain to his kennel. He was tied by a chain to his kennel. Question number 10. And the last question is, what would the wolf rather be? What would the wolf rather be? Question number 10, and let's see the answer. He would rather be hungry and free. He would rather be hungry and free. These are our class assignment. These answer this question is our class assignment, question number 6 to 10. And now maintain the page for the dictation. You will maintain the page same like this. Firstly, you will write day, date, topic, dictation line number 13. And now revise the words for dictation. Number 1, pretending. T-E-N-D-I-N-G, pretending. Number 2, bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Number 3, R-E-A-L-L-Y, really. Number 3, R-E-A-L-L-Y, really. Number 4, T-A-L-E-S, tails, T-A-L-E-S, tails. Number 5, certainly, 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 certainly. I hope you have learned these words because I have assigned dictation line number 13 yesterday. So today I'm going to take the test. You will maintain your page and you will do this test by the help of your parents, by the help of your tuition teacher. I hope you will not do the cheating and you will do your work honestly. It was our class assignment, question number 6 to 10 and dictation line number 13. Now let's move towards the home assignment. Firstly, I want to share the answer this question 6 to 10 for your for make to easy your work. These are the question 6, 7 and 8, and here is the question 9 and 10. Okay students, and now come towards the home assignment. Our home assignment is learn classwork and dictation line number 14. Okay students, and tomorrow I will take the test of dictation line number 14, and today you will learn this classwork question number 6 to 10. Okay students, I hope you all will do your work in very nice writing with the sharp pencil. Don't write with the blunt pencil, and don't forget to draw the margin line and underline the topics, and must careful about your formation of the letters. Okay my dear students, now it's time to say goodbye. I want to say Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.